What's going on, guys? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Super excited to go over this video. We're going to be displaying 4 Widebody projects that we're working on right now in our HQ facility. Let's dive into it, show you guys some highlights, show you the different brands and the kits that we're working with here, and go forward from there. First and foremost, we wanted to thank you guys for all the support you guys have been giving us on YouTube. We really appreciate you. Thank you guys again. You guys are pushing us to make sure that content is out there for you guys to see all the variety of brands and products that we offer for you guys. Let's go over the first wide body project that we worked on a couple months ago and move forward from there. The one and only Red Demon right behind me, it got equipped with the Lion's kit on his SS Gen 5 Camaro. As you can see, it's full on equipped with defenders. We did have to work around with that front bumper. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, these kits from the 10 to 13, so the 14-15 bumper was a little bit different, so we had to customize the kit a little bit and custom cut it to fit the OEM bumper extremely well. The Gen 6 full-on equipped with the Streetfighter LA Widebody fenders. This kit is extremely aggressive, and we added the dive planes in carbon fiber. The dive planes were custom made to fit this kit only, so they're a little bit more aggressive and larger than the regular 1LE. I can't wait to show you guys this, but right now we full-on custom made it to make sure it fits that aftermarket ZL1 bumper. This is an SS Gen 6. And lastly, he's aired up all the way. He is rocking the 3P airlift management and some Rohana wheels. The job is not done yet, but we just wanted to make sure we show you guys everything and how it looks to show you guys all the wide body projects that we got going on in the warehouse. Got this beautiful 2016 Hellcat Challenger. Shout out to Fernando for giving us the opportunity to work on his build. It's not done yet. It is in the works of being completed. We're doing full-on wrap with the wheels, tires, and on top of that, the wide body. And lastly, guys, we got Chris's Gen 5 right behind me, another beautiful Lions kit, but this one is rocking our aftermarket ZL1 1LE style. So this is gonna be a great example for you guys to see when everything is completed. He's in for an awesome style build, guys. One of the most very detailed, I would say, style project when it comes to customizing and making your car look extremely nice. I cannot wait to show you guys all the details, but let's highlight everything for you guys. He got wheels, tires, the wide body, and he's got something going on that I can't really say it, but stay tuned for that. A separate video will be launched on that very soon. Thank you guys for keeping us so busy. We have 4 wide body projects that we're working on for our clients right now, from the Hellcat to a Gen 6 and 2 Gen 5 Camaros. We're super excited. We're super hyped as well to complete those for our clients. If you guys wish to get any wide body installs with any brand, any material, or if you guys need something custom, talk to us. Tell us in the comments below whatever you guys need to do. Send us DMs on Instagram, email us. We'd be more than happy to help you guys out with all the needs when it comes to the styling your build. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys liked what you see right now, give this video a thumbs up. Wide body projects, everyone's going wide right now. It's the trend. You gotta hop on it, guys. If you guys have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, hit that sub button, and don't make sure hit that bell button. I'm not sure where it's at. I think it's this way, but hit that notification bell button so you guys are alerted right away when we post a video. Again, thank you guys for your support. We appreciate you guys, and I cannot wait to see you guys in the next video. Peace.